Guys, in this video I am going to show you how to earn money on Temu. Temu has an affiliate program that lets you earn commissions for promoting Temu and driving sales. On its platform, when someone makes a purchase on Temu using your affiliate link, you can earn a commission up to 50%. To become a Temu affiliate, you need to sign up on their affiliate hub page. Once approved, you will get affiliate links that you can share on your website, social media, or YouTube. You can promote popular products, recommend deals, create reviews and videos, or share your own shopping experience to drive traffic. The key is to add value for the reader, viewer, and inspire them to shop on Temu using your affiliate link. With a large catalog of trending but discounted products, Temu's affiliate program presents a major money-making opportunity for influencers. You can also sell on Temu as a supplier or sell dropshipped products. Sell your own handmade or vintage items or earn money on Temu by becoming a Temu influencer. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.